Meet the creator, Glenn Kowski. A familiar name to many, Glenn creates some of the easiest and most fastest online methods to generate multiple six figures in profit online. Having sold over 20 million of online courses and programs, he's now excited to work with fellow JVs and affiliates to spread his teachings across the globe through the Millionaire Partner System. I challenge you to make $10,000 after watching this. I have some exciting news to share with you today. This week, a $10 million man is hosting a closed-door, invite-only live training where he'll be sharing 3-step money-making business that you can legally clone to make at least $10,000 per month online. What's so unique about it is that you can start in just 48 hours and with zero upfront investment. That's right, you don't even need a website, and you'll be able to make money on affiliate sites like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digistore24, and CPA Networks, and many more. The last time he hosted this training, thousands of people ended up making their first paychecks online, including Arnold, Kathy, Barry, Ian, and Susie, who all made their first $1,000 within 48 hours of attending this exclusive live call. Because of these insane results, he's very selective about who he lets in. But I was able to secure a special pass for you for free. So if you're looking to build another stream of income fast, click below to claim your pass now.